Dobro večer. Today's lesson is going to deal with the verbs can or to be able to, moci, to know, znati, and to know how, UMETI. Moci, znati, umeti. Let us start with moci. Can, be able to, or in a certain context, be allowed to. Moci is not a regular verb, and it doesn't change like you'd expect it to. In present tense, it is conjugated in the following manner. Ja mogu, or just mogu, I can. Ti možeš, you can. On, ona, ono može. Mi možemo, vi možete. Oni, one, ona mogu. The past tense depends on gender. So, if you are male, I could is mogao sam. And if you're female, you will say mogla sam. You could, mogao si or mogla si. He, she, it could, mogao je or mogla je for female or moglo je for neutral. We could is mogli smo or mogle smo. Mogli smo is used if we consist only of males or both males and females, and mogle smo if we're talking only about a group of females. The same goes for second person plural, mogli ste or mogle ste. Mogli su, they could, mogle su or mogla su. I'm going to use this opportunity to introduce the conditional or potential tense. Even though in conditional tense we're talking about possible future, the structure of this tense is very much alike to past. The first part, the verb part, is exactly the same. In this case, mogao or mogla for first person, but instead of using present tense of to be, sam, si, je, etc., in that place we use bih, bi, bismo, biste, bi, one of these. That is mogao bih or mogla bih. It is also possible, of course, to use the personal pronoun ja. In this case, there will be an inversion, just like in past tense. Ja bih mogao, ti bi mogla, mi bismo mogli, and so on. So, to say that you would do something, you will take the verb you want, put it in past tense, subtract the to be part of past tense, sam, si, je, and so on, and instead of that, put the appropriate addition out of these, bih, bi, bismo, biste, bi. If you would just say ja bih, it would mean I would. Ti bi, you would. On bi, he would, and so on. And now you may be thinking, okay, I would, but I would what? Let's try I would like. The past tense of like is voleo sam or volela sam if you're a girl. So instead of sam, we put bih and we get voleo bih or volela bih. Okay, so I would like. I would like what? For example, I would like to see you. Volela bih da te vidim. Da is to. Te is short for tebe, you in accusative. And vidim is first person present of to see. It's a first person because the whole sentence is in first person. I would like to see you. Had it been she would like to see you, it would be in the third person. Volela bi da te vidi. How about we would like to see you? Voleli bismo da te vidimo. Voleli bismo da te vidimo. Here's another example. Uradio bih sve zbog tebe. I would do anything for you. Zbog, because of, takes the next word in genitive. Zbog tebe, zbog mene, zbog moje sestre. Similar. Here's a tricky one. How would you ask, would you help me please? And be polite. To help is pomoci. It contains moci, like can, and it will conjugate according to the same pattern as moci.
Da li biste mi pomogli, molim vas?
We ask conditional questions by starting with da li, or maybe jel. Then the rest is like a declarative sentence. Biste pomogli. And this mi in the middle is me, to me. It's the third grammatical case of I, the dative. But for the purpose of this lesson, just remember these expressions. Meni, or short, mi, is to me. Tebi, or short, ti, is to you. And vama, or short, vam, is to you, polite, or to you all. And here's a possible answer. Pomogla bih ti, ali ne umem. I would help you, but I don't know how. This leads us to the second of the three verbs we started with. UMETI, to know how. This verb conjugates regularly. In present, it is umem, umesh, ume, and so on. And then there's the verb znati, to know. But this one can also mean to know how. And it's also a regular verb. So why am I mentioning these if there is anything special about them? It's because you need to know when and how to use them. In English, when you want to say, I generally know how to swim, I'm able to swim, you can just say, I can swim. In Serbian, however, it would sound better if you used either znati or umeti instead of moci, can. Umem da plivam or znam da plivam. Znam srpski. I know Serbian. In this sentence, srpski is the object of your knowing, so it's an accusative. It just so happens that in this example, accusative is the same as nominative. But you can see in the following examples how it is different. Matematika is maths. But when you say I know maths, you say znam matematiku. Also, znam onu ženu. I know that woman. Let me remind you that masculine nouns in accusative look different if they are living versus non-living. Znam taj film. I know that movie versus znam tog čoveka and not znam taj čovek. Alright, that was znati, but umeti does not take nouns in accusative. You cannot say umem matematiku because that would mean I know how to maths. Instead, umem goes with da and then a verb. And that verb should be in the appropriate form of present tense, i.e., it should go along with the person and number of the subject in the sentence. Moci behaves the same. It also takes da and then present tense. Umeti and moci can also go with infinitive, like umem plivati. However, this is a construction you will hear much more often in Croatian than in Serbian. On the other hand, znati can take both a noun in accusative and this structure da plus present tense. Let's do a bit of practice. How would you say, Mom, can I buy new sneakers? And a sneaker is patika. Mama, mogu li da kupim nove patike? Da li mogu da kupim nove patike would also work. And so would jel mogu da kupim nove patike? And how do we say, can I help you? Be polite. Mogu li da vam pomognem? And now something a little more complex. Try this one. I wish I could help you.
Voleo bih da mogu da vam pomognem.
Let's break this apart. I wish is the same as I would like. Try to remember that sentence from somewhere in the beginning of this lesson where we said, I would like to see you. Well, that sentence was voleo bih da te vidim or volela bih da te vidim if you're a girl. So here we have the same pattern, voleo bih da, and then we need present. Even though in English, I wish constructions take past, not present. In Serbian, we actually say, I wish I can help you. So, voleo bih da mogu. And then, mogu takes da plus another present. Voleo bih da mogu da vam pomognem. How about this one? My brother can play the guitar. The words you'll need are gitara, guitar, brat, brother, and svirati, to play an instrument. Moj brat zna da svira gitaru. Or also you can say, moj brat ume da svira gitaru. Now, I did say that moci doesn't sound right for knowing how to do something. However, if it is something you consider extraordinary and you want to imply that it's not very common that someone knows how to do that, well, in that case, you can actually use can moci. For instance,
Moj brat može da svira gitaru zatvorenih očiju.
my brother can play the guitar with his eyes closed. Of course, here you could have just as well used ume or zna again. There's one last thing I want to tell you in this lesson. Zatvorenih očiju, with eyes closed. It's a construction in genitive. It resembles that description, if you remember, we had a long-haired woman, žena duge kose. It's the same form, just in this case, the genitive doesn't describe a noun, but a verb. It describes how something is done. Here are some more examples. Posmatrala je otvorenih usta. She watched with her mouth open. Or, spavam čiste savesti. I sleep with a clear conscience. Well, that's that. To je to. Laku noć.